Hello dear students, in previous class we understood the climate condition of Africa. In this class we are going to know about the people of Africa, means how they are living, what are the lifestyles and habits of African people. We will see in this class. People of Africa living in different regions with different lifestyles and different habits, and they have spoken different languages. Since ancient times, people have lived in small tribes. The most popular tribes are Zulu, Pygmies, Yoruba and Dikaro. Some of them living by hunting. Commonly, the hunters are inhabited the tropical region and desert area. Okay, and some tribes are grazing animals on extensive grasslands. They are inhabited on high plateau and savanna. Some tribes doing agriculture on the banks of rivers and the margins of forest. And the continent Africa is known for its resources, and mainly gold and diamond mines are located in this continent. Hence, several cities on the coastal region of Africa are well developed its international trade which connecting many countries of the world. So before being developed, what was the position of African people? Yes, let us see. Actually, Africa was not known to many people in the world. This is one of the reasons to call Africa a dark continent. So how did we come to know? Yes, let us see. If you see to the north of Africa, it is near to Europe continent. So that Europeans knew little about the northern coastal part of Africa. And Indians or Arab traders used to trade with African countries, so that they know only the eastern coastal part of Africa. Apart from these two regions, neither Europeans nor Indians had much knowledge about the interior part of Africa. So how did we come to know the interior part of Africa? Let us see. When Europeans started their attempts to reach India by sea routes, in this way they traversing Atlantic Ocean, and they used to stop over on islands of Saint Madeira and Azores. Then they were afraid to move to the south from these islands because they thought that it would be so hot. Why did they thought like that? Because this is tropical region which is the hottest zone of the world. Okay, now finally in 1498 the Portuguese sailor named Vasco da Gama went around the south tip of Africa and finally reached to India. Okay. After Vasco da Gama, many European explorers came to Africa and they go to interior part of Africa. In this way, many tribal came in direct conflict with them. But however, the Europeans established their rule over the Africa and they exploit resources. In 16th century, many Europeans started migrating to America and their cultivation there. There was plenty of land but not enough people to work on those fields. To fulfill this gap, the Europeans started slave trade from Africa. The Africans captured and enslaved mainly from coastal plain of Guinea and eastern part of Africa. And many tribal leaders also accepted this business. They sold their people to Europeans by exchanging guns, iron objects, clothes and liquor. And in those days, it took several days to reach America. In this way, many slaves were died due to illness and lack of food. And in 16th and 17th century, number of companies engaged in slave trade. But finally, in 19th century, the slaves who are in America, they are declared as free citizens of America in 1860.